guys, just want to do a quick video all wrapped up and also kind of showing off the intercooler. So you can see intercooler bolts to the two bottom factory tabs right there. Goes together, fits very nice. Got the two water lines, one at the top and one right there at the bottom. Got those routed out the way. And yeah, everything works great. Ice tank right there, so whenever I need to fill that up. And I'll be putting the factory cover back over it. Pretty much got everything all else back together. So yeah, fit great. Great kit. So if you're looking to get this installed on your Stingray, your E-Ray, or your Z06, it'll be done in the front shop. Like I said, this is the front garage. It'll be done in the back shop. I said front shop. So yeah, if you want to get turbo kit like this installed, definitely don't hesitate to reach out. Or if you got any questions about this installation process, definitely don't hesitate to reach out. Wasn't too bad, but once again, you definitely want to have some level of experience dealing with all of this, and you know, just all the different components that it you know, comes with. But yeah, so I know you probably want to hear what it sounds like, so I will start her up. So yeah, doesn't sound too bad. Doesn't sound too bad at all. Yeah, sounds fucking great. Sounds fucking great. So yeah, man, I'm excited. It's really lost words. I'm excited. I have already taken it on a probably 3-hour drive actually already. Drives great. Temperatures, I noted cooling temperature stayed about 180. Cruising most of the time. Trans tip like 155, 160, somewhere along there. So turbo kit did not add any heat. That's about what it ran without the turbo kit. So yeah, great as far as that goes. I'll start the data log process tomorrow, and then you'll more than likely start seeing videos of me race it. So this is probably the last video of the install. Yeah, like I said, thanks for watching.